Hello and welcome to yet another video of the Desi Gift unboxing. But before we start, do remember to like, share and comment on our videos.
And subscribe to our channel because that's what helps us grow. So what do we have today for unboxing?
Yeah, so today's unboxing is by BRB Popped Chips.
Wow.
They're not baked, they're not roasted, they're popped chips.
Wow.
So it's a box full of 4 flavors. So it's a gift box of 4 different flavors of them. The price of this product is 600 rupees, but I have purchased it through Cred app and it was 240 rupees for me on the
Wow.
Cred app. Yeah.
Nice.
So I'll share you the link of the website where the price is 600 rupees. You can find the link and all other details in the description below. So without any further ado, let's get the box out.
Yes. Here is our BRB Popped Chips gift hamper, and yeah, sturdy packaging, strong packaging. It has some weight in it, and let's see what's inside.
Yes. Point to note, the delivery of this product is also very fast. Usually products that I have purchased through Cred takes around 7 to 10 days, but this delivery came within 4 to 5 days. So it's very fast delivery.
It's a plus.
So let's open the box. So inside we can see there are 4 boxes inside. First they have given us a thank you card. It's written, "We hope you enjoy our snack stash." So
This
thank
is
you
indeed
card.
a stash.
And they have
Wow.
huge cans of different flavors. So let me get the cans out and we will talk more about it.
So excited.
Yes.
So there are 4 different flavors in 4 different colors, and let's start with the first one. Okay, so it says this is the pasta cheese flavor. Interesting.
Okay.
Yes, and again, as he said, it's not baked, not fried, it's popped. And this is the XXL tub. Wow.
So actually I have never seen chips in this big tubs. When I had ordered, I thought tubs will be in the size of, Pringles. But, I have never seen something this big.
Yeah, and I was also expecting tubs half this size. And okay, so by the way, they have also given some interesting information that this is 60% less fat and fewer calories. So it's again a guilt-free snack, especially for someone like me.
Yeah,
Okay, so let's open it and go for a taste test.
absolutely.
Okay, so they have come in this can-like container. So
Okay.
yeah. So I have managed to open it, and yes, you go first.
Wow.
Looks interesting.
Amazing.
Love it, love it.
Amazing. Oh, you can find the cheese. The pizza cheese, it says it. You can relate to this flavor.
Yeah, it's cheese, pasta cheese, and it's crispy. As I think you can hear the crisp in it.
Yeah. It's amazing.
Yeah. It's crispy, and I'm going to close it now. Otherwise, we're going to finish it right here, right now. So yeah, here goes our first, tub, XXL tub of pasta cheese. We love it.
Absolutely love it. So I'll start from the right. The next one that we see, this is the salt and pepper.
Wow.
So already you can understand this will be excellent. 60% less fat, like she already mentioned, all the same things. So without any further ado, let's open that and let's go for the taste. Just look, this is even full, completely full to the brim. Wow.
It's not that tasty as the last one,
Yeah.
but it's you can taste the pepper in it, the
Yeah.
salt and pepper in it.
It's a very common flavor of chips. Something like, dried puff fries
Yeah.
tastes like that. But yeah, you can binge on them. Very excellent binge. You are watching a movie or something, you can just open a tub, and yeah, the rest will be history.
Yeah. Right.
So that's for the second tub.
Yes. So the third tub that I'm going to go for, again a very very interesting one. It says sweet chipotle flavor, hot and smoky.
Chipotle.
Already intrigued. And there are some interesting information given at the back. They have given all the nutritional information. The generic name of these chips is the potato chips, and they say that this is actually smartphone friendly.
Okay.
Why? Because greasy fingers are so last year. These chips are not greasy at all because they are not fried, they are popped. Okay, so no more talk, let's open it. Okay, again, as you can see, it's filled.
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. It tastes like barbecue, isn't it?
Yeah. So it's a combination of cheese and barbecue.
Cheese, barbecue, that kind of spice in it.
Yeah.
And yeah, it's hot and smoky.
Yeah.
Just as they promised.
Yes, it is something similar to the Lay's Caribbean style flavor that was available. Something similar to that. Very, very, very excellent flavor. I like this too. The first one is definitely the favorite.
The best so far.
Yeah, and this is a very close second.
Okay, so we have got the last color. Let's see how it goes.
Yes, so the last one is green. And this is the Indian flavor. This is the bhel flavor.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
So let's open it. So I like the packaging, like how they have given a airtight can, packaged
Yeah.
it in. So the packaging is really nice for
Full
each
marks
of-
for that.
Yeah. Again, it's full. Let's go for the taste. Wow.
It's unique. You have not tasted a chips, something like this in chips.
I didn't feel like I have a chips. I felt like I have a golgappa with the water. Like it's not even in like without the water. I felt like I had the golgappa with the water.
Yes, it tastes like that. Even the tang of that pani puri water is in the chips.
Wow. Never expected that. Really, it's very difficult to describe. You feel like you're having a golgappa with the potato inside, mixture inside, with the water, everything. Complete.
The whole combo.
Yeah. Excellent product. Love it. So now that we have seen the product, we have tasted the product, time has come to review this as a gift. So what will your review be?
This is again a unique non-traditional gift and perfect for a gathering of friends, a gathering of family. You are sitting down to watch something on any of the OTT platforms. This should
Yeah.
be your go-to combo.
So I purchased this product only at 240 rupees on Cred. So if you see each of the tub, it was only 60 rupees for me. Like on their website it's 150 rupees, but like through Cred if you buy it's only 60 rupees, and for 60 rupees this is a steal.
Yeah. And then these are all 100 grams, and individually they cost around 150 rupees.
Yeah, so on their website, like I said, it's a 600 rupee package, which is 150 rupees each. But like I said, on cred, it's 60 rupees. So it's an excellent
steal.
bargain.
Yeah.
Like, I don't even classify this as a gift. Buy it for yourself. That's the most important thing I would say. Such big tubs of chips, and like healthy chips of different flavors. It's it's a no-brainer. It's an excellent gift. Like
Yes.
when I had purchased it, I did not expect them to be this big.
Yeah.
So
Buy it for yourself if you have a whole list of things you want to watch this weekend, just like we do. So yeah, it's going to be a blast.
yes, now that Money Heist is out, take one of the cans, sit and enjoy. So now that the review is done, time has come to rate this as a gift out of 5. So what will your rating be?
It will be a 4 out of 5, because even though I liked the 3 tubs, I did not care for the salt and pepper one. Other than this one, these 3 were quite tasty.
Okay.
So it's a 4.
Okay. For me, it's also a 4 out of 5. But my reasons are completely different. It's just that this is not a traditional gift. Like for a gift hamper, it may not be a particular excellent gift hamper. This is more of a, a gift for yourself.
Yeah, it is more
Within
like
the
a very
family.
informal party among your friends.
Yes. As a product, it's an excellent product. As a product, it's a 5 on 5. As a gift, I would take that 1 point out only for that reason. But a very unique, excellent, amazing, pocket-friendly chips.
Yeah.
So, without any doubt, go for it. You will enjoy it. This is healthy. You are getting it at a bargain. Like, imagine this big can, this of chips. Like, I have never seen something like this. So,
Yeah, and especially if you have kids at home, or if the person you are gifting this to have kids, then yeah, they are going to love it too.
yeah. As a gift, if you gift it to somebody, they will love it. Absolutely love it. This is really good. It's just that it's not a traditional gift.
Not a traditional gift.
Yeah, you don't give chips like that as a gift, but as an alternative gift, this is also excellent. Like the person who gets it would be really happy.
Yeah, especially if they are like us.
True. So yeah, that's it for the ratings on this video. So now that we've come to the end of this video, do remember to like, share and comment on our videos.
And subscribe to our channel, because that's what motivates us to bring out new gifts every week.
Yes, please subscribe to us. And do remember, all details of this product is given below.
Yes, buy it for yourself or your family members, friends, taste them together and let us know in the comments how you like it.
Yes.
We will see you in our next video. Till then, take care, be safe. Bye.
Bye bye.